If you don't already know how amazing Swedish dishcloths are, let me tell you, my family cannot live without these. Instead of going through paper towels or having to deal with lots of rags, we use these for all our cleanups, all our counters, anywhere that I need to clean up in the kitchen, I rely on these. Now let me open this up and show you how beautiful they can be. I normally get the plain colored ones, but I wanted to get a beautiful pattern for our kitchen. So I went with the 4 Earth dishcloths. They come in a variety of different colors and patterns, and these are beautiful. Absolutely love them. So I have 5 different ones here. Looks like I have 2 that are a little more in the blue range. And these are all in a similar kind of peachy, salmony color. They're really quite beautiful in person. They're all white on the back. And let me show you how wonderful these work. So all I do is get it wet. I guess I can get all the way wet to show you. And it's basically just a nice wet cloth that I can use to clean the counters or anything I want. I can squeeze it and rinse it just like a sponge. It works like a sponge. And I can even throw it in my wash, which is so wonderful. Now, I usually use one of these for at least a month and then I switch them out, but they really do last forever. They just dry and they get a little stiff when they dry. Get them wet and they open right back up beautifully. In our household, we use our sponge for cleaning our dishes and our dishcloths for our surfaces. So they each have a purpose and they both work together beautifully. So if you're looking for some beautiful dishcloths for your kitchen, whether you already are familiar with how amazing these are or you're looking to replace your paper towels, I cannot recommend these enough. Beautiful and extremely functional.